I have never made a Roblox game in my life, and today I'm going from zero experience to publishing my first game. The only question is whether anyone will actually play this masterpiece.
Right, we are in Roblox Studio.
So I had no idea where to begin because this one's way different from Unity. And also, why is there so much random crap on this marketplace? I'm actually so confused, bro. What the heck? So I opened up YouTube in search of guidance, and yeah, no, why is this so complicated? I did find an article, however, about the differences between Unity and Roblox Studio, and reading that really helped me. After a lot of struggling, I realized that I probably won't be able to learn all of Lua, which is the programming language that Roblox uses. So instead, I decided to take advantage of the marketplace that is built into the Roblox Studio. I found this rundown city asset that I decided to use as the primary setting of this game. And then I scattered these zombie spawners around the map, which would spawn zombies that you would have to kill that would like hunt you down. And then I added a gun, and yeah, this is like the primary premise of my game. I found a bunch of different weapons on the asset store, and I put them into the game, and low-key, that's it. Yeah. Now, obviously, this isn't really a game, but it was a good learning experience, and I'm definitely gonna try and make an actual game in the future. But nonetheless, I got my friend Goshat to play this game. Oh, and by the way, it took me so long to publish this game, dude. It took me like an hour just to publish. It took me longer to publish the game than to actually make it, because of how many like verification processes I had to go through.
Why does my guns?
Why does my gun one-shot everything?
Wait, how many guns do you have?
I have a nuke gun and oh shoot, I shot you. Sorry. You're running at me. I have an OP minigun. What am I supposed to do about this?
Wait, do you have a frying pan?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, wait.
I can't use it. I can't use the frying pan.
Use the frying pan?
The frying pan is fried.
Do you have the shred gun? Dude, what?
No, I don't.
You don't have the shred gun?
No.
Bro, dude, Roblox is opping, dude. What the heck?
Oh, I do have it.
Bro.
What is this?
Wait, this is not peak?
What is this?
The game is so good.
Long.
Anyways, yeah, that was my game. What do you rate it out of 10?
Like, do you want my honest rating?
Yeah.
Like a 4?
What? A 4? Why? It's like a 10.
A 10? If I was nice, maybe like a 6.
Low key, for my first game, I don't think a 4 out of 10 is that bad. Like low key, I think this game is really like a 0.5, but I'll take a 4 out of 10. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe. You can actually go play this game if you guys want. I'll leave a link in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.